How to add music to your Instagram profile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily add a music to your Instagram profile. So first just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now just click on your profile section at the bottom right corner and you can see there's an option called edit profile. Just tap on this. So once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see this option called music. So just select it. So now you can basically choose any music, or you can also even search for any music just like this. So let's say I want this song over here, and I will simply put on select this song, and you can also actually highlight or trim out the certain parts, the favorite part of your song, just like this, and click on done once you're satisfied. And just like that, once you come back, you will be seeing that same song over on your profile, and anyone can play that song and hear that song just like that. So that's exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.